Cause if we found out, it could mess up both our happy homes.
I hate to think about us all meeting up together. As soon as I look at you, it will show on my face. Yeah. Then they'll know that we've been loving each other. We can never know.
I do nothing all day but think about you and hope that you're okay. Hoping you'll call before anyone gets home. I'll wait anxiously alone by the phone.
How could something so wrong be so right? I wish we didn't have to keep our love out of sight. Yeah. Living two lives just ain't easy at all. But we gotta hang on in there before
it's liquid.
Secret lovers, yeah, that's what we are. Trying so hard to hide the way we feel. 'Cause we both belong to someone else, but we can't let go. 'Cause what we feel is also real.
Tonight, it's been a year. We met each other here. Here I am, all alone, as thoughts of you go on. Hear me crying out to you. You said never, never would I leave. Here's a tear from me to you. And maybe
I'd never have the courage to come back to you. We're all entitled to make a mistake. We got to prepare for some heartbreak. I was earning my man while I was earning my man. Something you young girls might not understand. No pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no gain, no gain, no. No pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no gain, no gain. There was an old lady sitting under a tree. She called me over and she said to me, my days left here may not be long. I wouldn't waste my time telling you nothing wrong. But love is a flower that needs the sun and the rain. A little bit of pleasure's worth a whole lot of pain. If you learn this secret, how to forgive, a longer and a better life you'll live. No pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no gain, no gain. No pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no gain, no gain. Anything worth having at all is worth working for and waiting for. Some of my closest friends have thought they had their thing on string just because their man was bringing them flowers and candy and all that.
Shadows falling, baby, we stand alone. Out on the street, anybody you meet got a heartache of their own. Make it a crime to be lonely or sad. You got a reason for living, you battle on. With the love you're living on, you gotta be mine. We take it away. It's gotta be night and day, just a matter of time. And we got nothing to be guilty of. Our love will climb any mountain, near or far. We are, and we never let it end. We are devotion, and we got nothing to be sorry for. Our love is one in a million. Eyes can see that we got a highway to the sky. I don't wanna hear your goodbye.
I was tired of my lady. We'd been together too long. Like a worn-out recording of a favorite song. So while she lay there sleeping, I read the paper in bed. And in the personal columns, there was this letter I read. If you like Piña Coladas and getting caught in the rain, if you're not into yoga, if you have half a brain, if you like making love at midnight in the dunes of the Cape, then I'm the love that you look for. Write to me and escape. I didn't think about my lady. I know that sounds kinda mean, but me and my old lady have fallen into the same old routine. So I wrote to the paper, took out a personal ad, and though I'm nobody's poet, I thought it wasn't half bad. Yes, I like Piña Coladas and getting caught in the rain. I'm not much into health food, I am into champagne. I've got to meet you by tomorrow noon and cut through all this red tape at a bar called O'Malley's, where we'll plan our escape.
It's liquid. Jamaica's spice.
other way, but there was nothing I could do. I'm gonna miss you, all the love I feel for you. Nothing could make me change my point of view. Oh girl, I'm gonna miss you, baby.
Getting all the love I feel for you couldn't make you change your point of view. You're leaving. Now I'm sitting here wasting my time. I just don't know what I should do.
It's a tragedy for me to see the dream is over, and I never will forget the day we met. Girl, I'm gonna miss you.
First you take my heart in the palm of your hands and squeeze it tight. Then you take my mind and play with it all night. You take my pride and you throw it up against the wall. You take me in your arms, baby, and bounce me like a rubber ball. I'm not complaining, what you're doing, you see. 'Cause this hurt feeling is ooh so good to me. Don't you know that it hurts so good? Don't you know that it hurts so good? Ooh, take my name, scandalize it in the streets. Anything you wanna do or say is alright with me. Turn right around and make sweet love to me. Ooh-wee, baby, shown up good to me. 'Cause baby, these things you're doing to me, it hurts so bad, but it's worth all the misery. 'Cause it hurts so good. Don't you know that it hurts so good?
It's liquid.
Oh, it's been such a long, long time. Look like I'd get you off of my mind, but I can't. Just the thought of you turns my whole world misty blue. Oh, honey, just a mention of your name turns the flicker to a flame. Listen to me good, baby.
It's
I
liquid.
think of the things we used to do, and my whole world turns misty blue. Oh, baby, I should forget you. Heaven knows I've tried. Baby, when I say that I'm glad we're through, deep in my heart I know I've lied. I've lied. I've lied.
smile never did show it. All I knew is what I could see, and I knew I wanted her for me. I took her home to Mama. Mama wanted to see my future bride. Oh, she looked at us both, and then she called me to her side. She said, son, take time to know her. It's not an overnight thing. Take time to know her. Please don't rush into this thing. But I didn't listen to Mama. I went straight to the church. I just couldn't wait to have a little girl of mine. When I got off from work, the preacher was there, so was my future bride. He looked at us both and then he called me to his side. He said, son, take time to know her. It's not an overnight thing.
It's liquid.
Early in the morning, I put breakfast at your table and make sure that your coffee has its sugar and cream. Your eggs are over easy, your toast unlikely. All that's missing is your morning kiss that used to greet me. Now you see the juicy sour. It used to be so sweet, and I can't help but to wonder if you're talking about me. We don't talk the way we used to talk. It's hurting so deep. I've got my pride, I will not cry, but it's making me weak. I'm not your superwoman. I'm not the kind of girl that you can let down and think that everything's okay. Boy, I am only human. This girl needs more than occasional hugs as a token of love from you to me. Ooh, baby. I fought my way through the rush hour, trying to make it home just for you. I want to make sure that your dinner will be waiting for you. But when you get there, you just tell me you're not hungry at all. You said you'd rather read the paper and you don't want to talk. You like to think that I'm just crazy when I say that you changed. I'm convinced I know the problem. You don't love me the same. You're just going through the motions and you're not being fair. I've got my pride, I will not cry. Still I can't help but care. I'm not your superwoman. No, no, no. I'm not the kind of girl that you can let down and think that everything's
the same since that cold November day. We said we needed space, but all we found was an empty place. And the only things I learned is that I need you desperately. So here I am, you please tell me? Oh, where do broken hearts go? Can they find their way home? Back to the open arms of a love that's waiting there. And if somebody loves you, won't they always love you? I look in your eyes and I know that you still care for me.
Something's wrong. Oh, I can tell. Is it that someone new came along and broke the spell? There's a doubt that I can't shake. Emptiness in your kiss, I'm finding hard to take. If you're having second thoughts, if you think we should let go, after all we've been through, I should be the first to know. See this insecurity, oh, it's slowly killing me. I've got to know, baby, tell me how you feel. Are you still in love with me, like the way you used to be? Or did it all fade away? And the hurt I feel, is it here to stay? Are you still in love with me, like the way you used to be? Or did it all tumble down? And the pain I feel is here to stay.
A few stolen moments is all that we share. You've got your family and they need you there. Though I try to resist being last on your list, but no other man's gonna do. So I'm saving all my love for you. It's not very easy living all alone. My friends try and tell me find a man of my own, but each time I try, I just break down and cry, 'cause I'd rather be home feeling blue. So I'm saving all my love for you. You used to tell me we'd run away together. Love gives you the right to be free. You said be patient, just wait a little longer, but that's just an old fantasy. I've got to get ready, just a few minutes more. Gonna get that old feeling when you walk through that door. 'Cause tonight is the night for feeling alright. We'll be making love the whole night through. So I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love for you.
face simple facts. We both belong to someone else. As we slept the night away, it's morning. Sunlight shines across your sleeping face. A new day brings reality, and we must go our separate ways. What a lovely night we had as we shared each other's love. We forgot about all the pain we caused as we spent the night away.
It's liquid.
Silly of me to think that I could ever have you for my God. How I love you, how I want you. Silly of me to think that you could ever really want me to. How I love you. You're just a lover I just score. I know that I should be looking for more. What could it be in you I see? What could it be? Oh love, stop making a fool of me. Oh love, stop making a fool of me. Silly of me to think that you could ever know the things I do are all done for you, only for you. Silly of me to take the time to comb my hair and pour the wine and know you're not there. You're just a lover I just score, and I know that I should be looking for more. What could it be in you I see? What could it be? Oh love, stop making a fool of me.
This has got to be the saddest day of my life. I called you here today for a bit of bad news. I won't be able to see you anymore because of my obligations and the ties that you
It's
have.
liquid.
We've been meeting here every day. And since this is our last day together, I want to hold you just one more time. When you turn and walk away, don't look back. I want to remember you just like this. Let's just kiss and say goodbye.
I had to meet you here today. There's just so many things to say. Please don't stop me till I'm through. This is something I hate to do. We've been meeting here so long. I guess what we done was wrong. Please, darling, don't you cry. Let's just kiss and say goodbye. Many months have passed us by. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. I can't lie. I'm gonna miss you. I've got ties, and so do you. I just think this is the thing to do. It's gonna hurt me, I can't lie. Maybe you meet another guy. Understand me, won't you try. Let's just kiss and say goodbye.
It's Liquid, Jamaica's finest.